Apologies play a crucial role in relationships. They help repair trust, foster understanding, and show your partner that you value their feelings. When you apologize sincerely, it's not just about saying sorry, it's about making your partner feel heard and respected. Many people struggle with apologies because they fear admitting fault or worry it won't make a difference. But a genuine apology can be transformative, opening the door to deeper connection and healing. In this video, we'll explore how to apologize so your partner truly feels heard, starting with understanding the emotional impact of your words and actions. Before learning how to apologize effectively, it's important to recognize common mistakes. Many people offer apologies that are rushed, defensive, or lack empathy. For example, saying, "I'm sorry you feel that way" shifts responsibility and doesn't acknowledge your role. Others may over-explain or justify their actions, which can make the apology feel insincere. These mistakes often leave your partner feeling unheard and frustrated. By understanding what doesn't work, you can avoid pitfalls and focus on what truly matters, making your partner feel valued and understood. Listening is the foundation of a meaningful apology. When your partner shares their feelings, give them your full attention. Put away distractions, make eye contact, and show genuine interest in their perspective. Listening isn't just about hearing words, it's about understanding emotions and validating their experience. By actively listening, you demonstrate respect and empathy, which are essential for your partner to feel heard. This sets the stage for a sincere apology and helps build trust in your relationship. Validation is a key step in apologizing. When your partner expresses hurt or disappointment, acknowledge their feelings without judgment. Phrases like, "I understand why you're upset," or "It makes sense that you feel this way," show empathy and respect. Validation doesn't mean agreeing with everything. It means recognizing their emotional reality. This helps your partner feel seen and heard, making your apology more impactful and genuine. A sincere apology involves taking responsibility for your actions. Instead of minimizing or deflecting, clearly state what you did and how it affected your partner. For example, "I was wrong to raise my voice, and I see that it hurt you." Taking responsibility shows maturity and accountability, which are essential for rebuilding trust. It also reassures your partner that you understand the impact of your behavior and are committed to making things right. Expressing genuine regret is a vital part of any apology. Let your partner know that you truly feel sorry for the hurt you caused. Use clear and heartfelt language, such as, "I'm really sorry for what I did." Avoid vague or generic statements and focus on the specific situation. Expressing regret helps your partner feel that their pain matters to you, and it opens the door to healing and reconciliation. Excuses can undermine your apology and make your partner feel dismissed. Instead of explaining away your actions, focus on acknowledging the hurt you caused. If you catch yourself saying, "But," pause and reconsider. An apology without excuses is more powerful and helps your partner feel respected. Remember, the goal is to make your partner feel heard, not to defend yourself. After apologizing, offer solutions or steps to prevent similar issues in the future. Ask your partner what would help them feel better or what changes they'd like to see. This shows your commitment to growth and improvement. By working together, you can strengthen your relationship and build trust. Offering solutions demonstrates that you're invested in making things right, not just saying sorry. Timing is important when apologizing. If your partner is upset or overwhelmed, it may be best to wait until emotions have settled. A thoughtful apology delivered at the right moment can be much more effective. Pay attention to your partner's cues and choose a time when you can both focus on the conversation. This shows respect for their feelings and increases the chances of a positive outcome. Your body language can say as much as your words. When apologizing, maintain open posture, make eye contact, and avoid defensive gestures. Nonverbal cues like nodding or reaching out can reinforce your sincerity. If your partner senses genuine remorse through your actions, they're more likely to feel heard and understood. Remember, communication is not just verbal, it's physical too. Sometimes, a written apology can be helpful, especially if emotions are high. Writing allows you to organize your thoughts and express yourself clearly. Be sincere and specific, addressing the issue and your partner's feelings. A heartfelt letter or message can provide space for your partner to process and respond in their own time. Written apologies can be a powerful tool for healing and understanding. Face-to-face apologies can be more impactful, as they allow for immediate feedback and emotional connection. When apologizing in person, be present and attentive. Listen to your partner's response and validate their feelings. This direct approach can help resolve misunderstandings and strengthen your bond. Remember, your presence and sincerity are key to making your partner feel heard. If you can't apologize in person, a phone call is the next best option. Hearing your voice can convey sincerity and emotion. Make sure to listen actively and avoid multitasking during the call. Focus on your partner's feelings and respond with empathy. A phone apology can bridge distance and help your partner feel heard, even when you're apart. Small mistakes can add up over time, so it's important to apologize for minor issues as well. Whether it's forgetting a promise or being late, acknowledging these moments shows your partner that you care about their feelings. Consistent apologies for small things help maintain trust and prevent resentment from building up. It's the little gestures that often mean the most. Major mistakes require thoughtful and thorough apologies. Take time to reflect on your actions and their impact. Be honest, vulnerable, and open to your partner's feelings. Big apologies may need ongoing conversations and reassurance. By addressing major issues with sincerity and care, you show your partner that you're committed to healing and moving forward together. Sometimes you may need to apologize even if you don't feel at fault. In these cases, focus on your partner's feelings rather than assigning blame. For example, "I'm sorry you're hurt, and I want to understand how I can help." This approach shows empathy and a willingness to support your partner, fostering connection and understanding. If you've made the same mistake more than once, your apology needs to address the pattern. Acknowledge the repetition and express your commitment to change. For example, "I realize I've done this before, and I'm working to break the habit." Repeated mistakes can erode trust, so it's important to show your partner that you're taking steps to improve. Emotional hurt can be difficult to address, but it's essential to apologize for causing pain. Listen to your partner's feelings and validate their experience. Express regret and offer reassurance. Emotional apologies require sensitivity and patience, as healing may take time. By showing empathy and understanding, you help your partner feel heard and supported. Actions often speak louder than words. If your behavior has hurt your partner, apologize for the specific actions and their impact. For example, "I'm sorry for canceling our plans last minute. I know it disappointed you." Being specific helps your partner feel that you understand the situation and are taking responsibility. Words can hurt just as much as actions. If you've said something that upset your partner, apologize for your words and their effect. For example, "I'm sorry for what I said. I didn't mean to hurt you." Recognizing the power of language shows your partner that you're aware of how your words affect them and are committed to being more mindful. Neglect can cause deep hurt in relationships. If you've neglected your partner's needs or feelings, apologize sincerely and ask how you can do better. For example, "I'm sorry for not being there when you needed me. I want to be more attentive." Addressing neglect shows your partner that you value their well-being and are committed to change. Broken promises can damage trust. If you've failed to keep a commitment, apologize and explain how you'll make it right. For example, "I'm sorry for not following through. I'll make sure to keep my promises in the future." Rebuilding trust takes time, but consistent effort and sincere apologies can help restore your partner's confidence. Jealousy can strain relationships. If your actions or words have caused jealousy, apologize and discuss your feelings openly. For example, "I'm sorry for acting jealous. I want to work on trusting you more." Addressing jealousy with honesty and vulnerability helps your partner feel heard and reassured. Anger can lead to hurtful actions or words. If you've lost your temper, apologize for the impact and explain how you'll manage your emotions better. For example, "I'm sorry for yelling. I'll work on staying calm." Apologizing for anger shows your partner that you're committed to emotional growth and maintaining a healthy relationship. Misunderstandings are common in relationships. If you've misunderstood your partner or caused confusion, apologize and clarify your intentions. For example, "I'm sorry for misunderstanding you. Let's talk about what happened." Addressing misunderstandings helps clear the air and ensures your partner feels heard. Poor communication can lead to hurt feelings. If you've failed to communicate, apologize and commit to being more open. For example, "I'm sorry for not sharing my thoughts. I'll work on communicating better." Improving communication helps your partner feel included and valued. Overreacting can escalate conflicts. If you've overreacted, apologize for your response and explain how you'll handle situations differently. For example, "I'm sorry for overreacting. I'll try to stay calm next time." This shows your partner that you're aware of your behavior and are working to improve. Forgetfulness can hurt your partner, especially if it involves important dates or promises. If you've forgotten something meaningful, apologize and make an effort to remember in the future. For example, "I'm sorry for forgetting your birthday. I'll set reminders to make sure it doesn't happen again." This shows your partner that you care about their feelings and are taking steps to improve. Insensitivity can make your partner feel undervalued. If you've been insensitive, apologize and ask how you can be more considerate. For example, "I'm sorry for being insensitive. I want to be more thoughtful." Showing a willingness to learn and grow helps your partner feel heard and respected. Apologizing effectively is about more than just saying sorry. It's about listening, validating feelings, taking responsibility, and showing genuine regret. By avoiding excuses and offering solutions, you help your partner feel truly heard. Remember, every relationship faces challenges, but sincere apologies can strengthen your bond and pave the way for growth. Moving forward, practice these steps and make your partner's feelings a priority. With empathy and commitment, you can build a healthier, happier relationship together.